Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Harith Iskandar bin Pakasa. My metric number is S28353, and this is.
And I'm Mohd Hassyrin bin Hassan with metric number of F28345 and
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Eziana Binti Sharaman and my metric number is 191655.
Okay, today we are going to present about Mac operating system. And for the introduction of macOS, Farah will present about it.
Okay. First of all, macOS is a series of the graphical operating system developed and marketed by Apple Incorporated by Apple since 2001. It is the primary operating system for the Apple Mac family of the computer, reaching the market of desktop, laptop, and the home computer, and the by web usage is the second most widely used desktop operating system after the Microsoft Windows. Okay. The second part is the Mac OS is the second major after the classic Mac OS, which is the final release in 1999. In March 2001, the first version update, which is the Mac OS X, was released, and the last version is the Mac OS Mohd, which is released in September in 2018. Okay, between the 1999 and 2009, Apple sold a separate series of the operating system called the Mac OS X server. The lastly is the Mac OS is the based on technology developed between 1985 and 1997 at the next of the company that Apple CEO co-founder Steve Jobs created by after the leaving the company. Okay. For the second part is I will pass it to the Hasyrin.
okay, I'm gonna explain about the feature that macOS provided. Okay, first of all, the major difference between the classic macOS and macOS is the addition of Aqua. And what is Aqua? Aqua is basically a user interference with water-like element. Secondly, every window element, text, graphic, or which is drawn on a screen using special anti-aliasing technology, which is a technique of minimizing the resolution of an image. Okay, for color synchronize, it was provided and built into the care of drawing engine to provide matching for printers. And for drop shadows, it is added around windows and isolated text elements to provide the sense of depth. Okay, moving to the components. First of all, is the Finder. Finder is a browser which allows a quick access over the whole computer. Secondly, a quick look. A quick look is an application that gives access to the user to view or preview the files in his computer without opening any other application. Okay, for Spotlight is the advanced technology which is used to search files based on its properties. Meanwhile, for exposure or mission control, it is a feature which gives access to users to assembling between Windows and desktop. And last but not least is the file vault. It is basically an optional encryption of the user's folio. Okay, next.
Okay, now I'm going to present about macOS version. For the latest version of macOS is macOS Mohd, which is published released in September 2018. And between 1999 and 2009, Apple has sold a separate series of operating system that called macOS X Server. The initial version is macOS X Server 1.0 was released in 1999 with a user interface that's similar to macOS 8.5. After this, the new version were introduced consequently with the desktop version of macOS X. Beginning with macOS X 10.7 Lion, the server functions are made available as a spread package on a Mac App Store. And this is the example of this is the other version of macOS. You can see the date of the version was released. And for the macOS advantage between Windows, okay, Mac other name for Mac is Macintosh, and Macintosh and Windows are actually two different computer systems, and they run on different operating systems. Mac computer run on a Unix-based operating system that is designed and sold by Apple. The operating system being used currently for Mac is Mac OS X, and it is designed around graphic interface. For Windows-based computer operate on different operating systems, which are made by Microsoft, and some of these are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. This Windows-based operating system can be used on a variety of personal computers, which are widely used. Mac computers are a built-in security system and are less prone to attack by a virus that mostly come from internet. Mac OS X was designed security as a top priority, and this was successfully achieved. Computers running on Windows do not come with their own security, and one has purged and they has to purge antivirus software to protect against the virus. And PC run on Windows are widely used, and this is another reason that the Windows is easily to be attacked by a virus. Since Mac are designed around a graphic user interface, they are mostly used for graphic and multimedia service like photo editing, and that is explain why Photoshop was first used in Mac. It is also used for educational purpose that they are easy to use. But for the Windows, it is used in Office because has Office function. And Mac has application more than Windows, and they actually are designed to stay long and can run the latest software. And for troubleshooting in Mac is very easy because they have a good architecture and simplicity. If it's given application running in Mac encounter a problem, it is normally detect and repair automatically. And that's all from me. Thank you. Itu enggak?
Tapi akan ada edit lah kan?
Kena.